PaTMa user can end up with access to multiple PaTMa accounts. And one of the most sort of common ways this can happen is if you just invite another user, another person to access your account. When they create that account, when they accept that invitation, they will end up effectively with their own account without anything in, and they will then also have access to the elements of your account that you've shared. And because they then end up with access to two accounts, sometimes they may find that they aren't seeing what they're expecting to see as they're navigating around PaTMa, and that might be because they're effectively looking at the wrong account. And this can also happen for other people who are up with access to multiple accounts as well. So if that's happened, the way to switch the account you're currently looking at is to click on the avatar menu in the top right hand corner and view the account switcher section, and you can see the account you're currently looking at is starred with a blue star, and other accounts you have access to will then be listed below, and you can choose one of the others to swap to. And you can just click on that and it will just change you to the sort of product choice page again and let you know that you're now looking at the other account. And of course, you can click on the menu and switch back to the first one again. And you can then navigate around PaTMa to view the properties and details as you would expect from whichever account you've currently got selected.